Yeah.
There's no way in hell they're gonna hear me.
Looks like player 2 is on player 1 side for some reason. I don't know why people insist on doing this. Art. How about this? Player 1 is Arc Simp, player 2 is Vlob Enjoyer. How about that? I think that'll be good for now. Because they didn't tell us who they
We
are.
should be able to tell who's winning by the cams.
Yes.
Who's who, because, you know, if Art gets, like, perfected right now in this round.
How do you say this guy? Vlov?
Love Archangel.
Yes. Thank you very much, Adam Gary. Yeah, so I believe this is the zoner of the game, correct?
He is, in fact, the zoner.
Yes.
You could infer that.
Yeah, I was going to say, he do be zoning right now.
Gameplay.
Speaking of perfects, also. Hood perfect, you know,
Yeah,
close enough.
Definitely. There we go, yeah. Arc Simp, Lob Enjoyer.
Yes. Dude, I gotta, you know, I don't play zoners, but this is unfathomable grip.
It's rough, because he's so cool.
That's it, this is unfathomable grip.
Yeah.
This grip is unslanderable.
He is like...
He's OD.
This is like Bogdanov here. Like,
Yeah,
you know,
that's
like,
it, yeah.
This is like the secret society look.
Yes. This is the, what, he bought Melty? Dump it. Like,
He bought Melty.
Dump
and,
it.
Oh, yeah. Alright, if anybody like nods knowingly after, like if the guy on the left nods knowingly after, okay, yeah, I think.
yeah, the arc player definitely just scratched his head.
Yeah,
so.
he did. The yes, that's so funny.
He do be zoning right now.
Okay, God Hunta is Blob and Honk is Arc. So thank you, Rob, as always.
Coming through
Clutch.
Nice jump, nice Street Fighter jump right there.
Yeah.
Sioki.
Oh,
Oh,
nice,
empty jump
nice.
throw.
Arc as well, one of the few characters who can combo off of her throw in the corner.
Ooh, I love that throw. The
Sorry,
suck.
who was first player again?
Player 1, Arc is
Honk.
and God Hunta, is Blob.
With a name like God, you know, Shadow Fury, I just, you know, I love you. It's God Hunta with a
Yeah,
H.
Hunta.
You know, it's, and I'm only saying that because it's important to someone who is a Blob player.
Exactly. Oh, really showing a lot of respect here. Doesn't want to die.
The run up
But does
so-
anyway.
Oh, just chucked her.
Take a bite out of her.
Girl, those dogs are nasty. Get out of here.
This is a cannon fight too.
Yeah.
This happens, I think, in the VN. I don't know. I didn't play it.
I can't believe they haven't put Nero in yet. That's
Well,
crazy.
the thing is that these characters all come from the remake of the VN, which Blob takes Nero's place in the VN.
He'll be back.
No, he won't.
Nero will definitely.
Nah, he
There's no way.
No, not even. Audio is low. Yeah, I was afraid of that.
My nuts are low, dude. I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah,
Can't help you.
I have no control over this.
I'm scared. So many knobs have been turned. I'm scared to touch the board.
Yeah. Get Dan and tell him the audio is low on the screen setup. Just up the master audio.
Bro, there's a lot of knobs on that
dials,
thing,
and
man.
I've never touched any of them, and I feel like if I touch any of them, and they're gonna explode.
Bro, if you were just at the setup, then get over here.
Somebody came over and messed with it, so I don't. He just drove over here to fix it.